everyone, this is Varsha. Welcome back to my channel English with Varsha. Hope you people are doing great and learning this language very well. Dear friends, now I'm in front of you all. I'm recording myself. My dear friends, today is too cold. The weather is too cold. So I'm feeling so cold. That is why just I'm wearing two woolen sweaters in front of you all. You can see. So dear guys, but I like this weather. Yes. So but not too much because nowadays weather is too cold. Yes, so anyway I like it. So dear friends, in today's video I'm going to tell you how we can improve our communication skills and how we can speak in front of camera with full confidence without less confidence. Yes, you know very well, if we want to speak in front of any other person, so confidence plays very vital role. Yes, so without confidence, without strength, without our potential, we cannot express our thoughts, our imaginations in front of any other person, right? So confidence is very important. Confidence plays very vital role. So in today's video I'm going to share you, I'm going to mention here how we can increase our confidence level. Yes, because it is very important to for speaking skill, right? So how we can speak in front of any other person, in front of camera, in front of any other situation. Yes, with full confidence. Yes, so this video is very amazing and helpful for you, supportive for you, constructive for you. So first of all, one more thing I would like to tell you all, my dear guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, to first of all you have to do this work. Just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications related to my all upcoming, yes, special, interesting and amazing videos. Yes, so come to the point. Just I'm going to mention here, I'm going to tell you all, my dear guys, how we can improve, how we can develop, how we can increase our confidence level, right? So question is here, when any person just speaks in front of you all guys in English, so that time you have to think like, yes, I'm better than this person. Yes, and I know very well I'm best, and I can express, speak my thoughts, I can express my feelings, I can express my ideas in front of this person, this or that person, and I am able to speak in English. Yes, like this you have to think when any person speaks in front of you all in English, right? So you don't feel demotivated. Yes, just you have to feel, you have to feel like more confidence, you have to feel like more courage, more strength. I'm able, like this you have to think that time, right? And I can express, I can give answer of your question. If anybody just ask me any question, right, so I am able to response of them questions, right? I'm able to give, I'm able to speak in front of you any person. If anybody ask me any question in English, so I'm able to speak, I'm able to give answer of that particular question. So like this you have to maintain your mindset, right? You have to maintain your thinking capacity. I'm able, yes, I'm not less, I know very well, and whatever I know I have to express with full energy, with full strength, with full confidence. Yes beta, yes beta, keep there, keep there. Yes, so like this we can build our confidence level, right? So don't worry about your mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. Yes, everybody, nobody is perfect here. So you have to speak, you have to learn, you have to learn this language with mistakes. Mistakes will be improved gradually. Okay, so first of all you have to take step. If anybody asks you question in English, so try to explain, try to express your thoughts in English, whatever you know little bit. Yes, you don't worry about your more knowledge. Yes, if I got more knowledge if I'll got more knowledge, then that time if I will get fluency in this language, that time I'll start my journey, that time I'll start to speak in front of any other person. Don't panic about it, dear guys. Don't worry about this. Yes, you have to start your journey with little bit knowledge, right? So that is very very important if you want to improve your communication skills, if you want to improve your speaking skill, right? So, dear friends, through this video, I'm going to tell you, I want to share with all of you. Just if we want to improve our speaking skill, if we want to speak in front of any other person in English, so just we should start our journey with little bit knowledge, not more knowledge. Okay, it will become according to our strength or according to our big knowledge. Yes, so we have to start our journey with little bit knowledge, right? So like this you can build your confidence level, like this you can express your thoughts with full confidence. Just you have to speak in front of any other person, okay, with full confidence, right? Whatever you know, just try to speak in English, try to express your thoughts, your ideas. Yes, and you have to do practice. One more thing is that you have to do practice alone at your home. If you don't have any practice partner, so you can do practice of your speaking skill in front of you, in front of camera. You can record yourself every day, and after recording yourself, you have to you have to maintain your consistency, and you have to see like where we need to improve our communication skills, where we need to overcome our fear, and where we need to improve our mistakes. Like this you can do practice. And yeah, also I'm doing practice like this nowadays. And nowadays the season is so cold, the weather is too cold, right? So you can talk about nature, you can talk about weather, right? So like this you have to do practice. So this video, just I wanted to share my thoughts. And if you think this video is very very supportive, constructive and helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe this channel. Till that, keep watching, take care of yourself. Bye bye.